Good morning, traders. This is Ali Abbas from the stock Monger. Today is the 23rd of June. It's a Friday, last day of the trading week, and time is 10:40 a.m. What happened in the morning is I saw a little breakout over here, and I had bought 43,600 put option over here, and my stop loss was below this. So look what happened. Okay, in one candle, it came, hit my stop loss, and then shot up to my target of 280. So that's what happens in the market, guys. It's just incredible how the options work. And for the time being now, I've taken a re-entry at 205 over here, and around this 215, sorry, at this level, because I saw this breaking out above this candle and then it came back down. Now it's swinging. So my stop loss is exactly when this hits 10,000. Then I will look for a recovery trade. For the time being, 215 is my average. See, 215 is my average because I've taken it at a higher rate before it hunted me out and then came back down. So now I see that the swing is going to come back up because I am not seeing any strength in Bank Nifty right now. It's going for a major selling. This is just a pullback just to knock off some people like it did to me, and it's going to. I'm expecting it to come back up. I'm just taking a 20-point target over here so that this converts to at least plus 2000, and then I'll check for the next trade. Right now I'm running in a loss. This is an acceptable loss for me, not a problem. I'll see what has to be done. Okay, traders, 215 was my buy price at 200 quantity. Now the 2300 loss that I had in the morning is now reducing slowly. I am waiting for Bank Nifty to break because see, one red candle, two red candle, and green pullback. Now the next red candle has been a little stronger than the previous one. So I'm just waiting for this to continue. If that continues, this can give a short spike. I've already kept half quantity at 225, so that'll bring my 2300 loss down by 1000 rupees. And then if it travels more, then I will probably move into profit. So I'm just waiting for that to happen. And futures, if it breaks this VWAP, at least if it touches the VWAP, I doubt it'll bounce back because green is below the red line. So if this touches VWAP and this spikes up a bit, I will exit in a profit. So I'm just waiting. As you can see, 2600, 500 is a loss, running loss over here. 2300 was the original loss. So anything below 215 is going to add to this loss. So I'm just waiting. Let's see. Time is 11:04. Traders, time is 11:10. Painstakingly close 222 तक आके reverse मारा यार. And now that it is on a different level altogether, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start shifting my stop loss. Now the SAR dots have started appearing, so I'm not going to actually stick around and wait for it to give me a 10,000 loss. I'm going to shift this stop loss up to 178, which is exactly the bottom of this wick. Then if this range sustains and moves up, then I will look for a higher target and lesser loss. So right now my loss is running at 5,500. It was down to 800 rupees because this came to 212. 3 into 2 is 600, so 600 rupees was the loss. Added to the 2,300, that will be less than 3,000. So let's see now. It seems like it's turning around now. See, Bank Nifty over here, it went up, it gave a evening star rejection. Okay, big red candle, then it tried to sustain another big red candle, then it's starting to stay in this range. Now if it stays in this range and starts breaking down, then yes, it will be a good down move. Global selling ho raha hai yaar, and we are still in a bullish mode. I don't understand this. So right now it's at 196, 195. My loss has expanded to 6,000 rupees. Let's see. I'm holding and I'm hoping. Sitting on hope is a very wrong thing to do in the market. But as per the indicators, this should not fall. Yeah, it should keep. It should. The put should not fall. Actually, the indice is again pulling back, which does not make any sense right now. I am just watching and waiting. Traders, time is 11:31. What happened now is we finally got three red candles and then a small pullback. So if this pullback fails and it breaks this low over here, that is at 43,665, then we can see a continuous drop. The next support after this drop would be over here at 43,550, another 100 points down. So yeah, this came to my cost to cost level of 215. Again, it's pulling back. But if this sustains and starts moving, there can be a very good directional trade. I am just waiting for this. I really don't know. It's very dicey right now. But three red candles means there is some selling power coming in. If you look at the futures, also the volume is very low. So I don't think the bulls are interested in pushing this up now. If VWAP breaks and then takes a price action and green crosses VWAP, then yes, we will see a continuous selling. But that still waits to be discovered if this support over here fails, because now you can see there is not much buying happening and it's declining. And if this support breaks, six is 43,650 breaks, we are going heading to 43,550. Okay, traders, time is 1:53, and I had bought 43,700 put option at 200 value. If you can see over here, see twice I bought it over here, and twice, sorry, one time this was hunted at the cost and then now shooting back up. I had kept a sell order for 250, and look at this, painstakingly close. It comes to 248.9. 248.9 people. That is how close it was. Right now, this is firing. I am waiting and waiting and waiting since forever. If this total comes to minus 15,000, I'm going to square it off. My target is plus 15,000 on this total. So far this is doing well. I'm just waiting. If this can touch 50, then I'll probably be in a very good profit. It will probably wipe off this loss as well. So if my target is 250 on this, right now it's 220, another 30 points to go. Bank Nifty is looking weak because it has been straddling in this range without any buying power. It is not breaking the highs. There's a rejection here, and multiple rejections over here. If this can actually break and fall down, then it will be amazing. I am actually waiting when that will happen. So I'm watching 43,700 put option. Traders, a great day, and see what happened. 8,300 was a profit booked. This forget this 2,300, so it's around 6,000 if we add 10 and minus 4. So what happened was the breakout came and then it started pulling back. My actual idea was to leave at 250, but it went to almost 259, and I was waiting. And I decided that if this comes below 9,000, I'll cut it off. So it's a great recovery again from minus 12 to 13,000. I came to plus 8,000. So I understand the risk reward ratio is not nice, but as I stood very firm on my trades, on my psychology, this turned into a profit. So a very good ending to the week, and finally I am done for the day. The overall profit is around 6,000, so I'm very happy with this. And that's all for today. I'll see you guys next on Monday. Have a great weekend. Thank you.